Hello everyone, this is your fourth chapter, the story of the river Ganga. In previous video, we have read that King Sagara had become very strong and powerful. He had a huge empire. He wanted to establish the boundary of his empire and wanted to tell people who was the king of the land. Therefore, what does he do? We will know by reading the next paragraph. So, dear students, let's start the text. To do this, King Sagara performed the Ashwamedha Yajna. Ashwamedha Yajna, sacrifice of the horse. To do this, means he wanted to establish a boundary to his empire. So, what does he do? To do this, King Sagara performed the Ashwamedha Yajna, sacrifice of horse. He selected a good horse from his stables. Selected means chose, chuna. He selected a good horse from his stables. Stables, Godshala ya Astabal, a place where horses are kept. Stables. And let him trot wherever he wanted to go. The king selected a good horse from his stables and let him trot. Let him trot means to go. उसे जाने दिया. Let him trot wherever he wanted to go. Freely उसको छोड़ दिया उस horse को जहाँ भी वो जाना चाहता है. Interested Ishan asked, means this is the story of river Ganga and grandmother is telling to his grandson Ishan, and now Ishan is taking interest in the story of the river Ganga. So interested Ishan asked, what would happen if someone stopped the horse? Question mark. Ishan asked to his grandmother, taking interest in the story of river Ganga, what would happen? क्या होगा, क्या हो जाता है? If someone stopped the horse, यदि कोई उस horse को रोक लेता है, पकड़ लेता है. Stopped means यहाँ पे उसे रोक लेना. Stopping the horse meant challenging the king's authority. Authority, power, rights, जिसे हम सत्ता कह सकते हैं, अधिकार कह सकते हैं. Stopping the horse means challenging the king's authority and a fight would start. It means someone is challenging to king's rights. कोई न कोई है जो राजा के अधिकारों को चैलेंज कर रहा है. And there will, what will happen then? There will be a fight between two mighty powers. दो mighty powers अगर कोई सामने सामने आएंगे तो what will happen then? A fight would start. फिर युद्ध शुरू हो जाएगा. But no one who let anyone who let the horse pass, यदि कोई उस horse को न रोके और उसे जाने देगा, but anyone who let the horse pass would be protected by the king. Protected means guarded, conserved. Protected means guard करना, किसी की रक्षा करना, सुरक्षा करना. So, stopping the horse meant challenging the king's authority and a fight would start. But anyone who let the horse pass would be protected by the king. It was the process. It was the process of the Ashwamedha Yajna. However, the gods were unhappy with the 60,000 sons of King Sagara, because gods did not want gods do not want that King Sagara ruled like this over the kingdom. So gods were unhappy with the 60,000 sons of King Sagara. Is why the gods were unhappy? Because they were very cruel. 60,000 sons of Sagara were very cruel. The gods felt that the world would be a better place without them. तो भगवान ने क्या सोचा कि अगर ये if there will be no 60,000 sons and King Sagar, there is no place for them on land. अगर धरती पर वो नहीं रहते हैं, gods felt that, उन्होंने ऐसा महसूस किया, felt the world would be a better place, बहुत ही अच्छा स्थान बन जाएगा, बहुत ही अच्छी जगह बन जाएगी without them. अगर ये King Sagara and his 60,000 sons, they will not live on earth world, then this place would be a better place. So Indra, the king of gods, supreme of the gods, Indra Bhagwan came down to the earth, धरती पे आए, disguised as a demon. Disguised means अपना वेश बदला या चेंज किया अपने आप को. Disguised as a demon. Demon a cruel person, जिसे हम राक्षस भी कह सकते हैं. राक्षस disguised गुप्त तरीके से या अपने आप को चेंज किया. Came down to the earth disguised as a demon. He stole the horse and hid. Hide की second form. Hide and hid. इसको छुपा दिया. As a demon, he stole the horse. He word here refers for Indra. भगवान इंद्र के लिए वर्ड आया he stole the horse and hid it, और उसे छुपा दिया. Said the grandmother. The all talking was going between Ishan and his grandmother, and all this said by grandmother. Grandmother ने सारी बातें उसको ईशान को बताई. Ishan asked. Then he asked. His mind was going on. He has so many questions. He has so many queries about this. So Ishan asked, but if Indra stole the horse, how could King Sagara establish his power? Ishan asked, but if Indra stole the horse, इंद्र ने राजा का घोड़ा चुरा लिया, how could King Sagara establish his power? Then King Sagara, how will he able to establish his power, his kingdom, to establish a boundary? Very good, Ishan. Grandmother said, very good. It means he was taking interest in the story. Very good. The king was very upset. Dadima, grandmother, continuously said again. The king was very upset. राजा बहुत नाराज हुआ, उदास सा हुआ. He called his 60,000 sons to go and find the horse. He called his all 60,000 sons and to go and find the horse. उसने सब बच्चों को बुलाया और कहा, जाओ और जाके ढूंढो किसने अपने घोड़े को पकड़ लिया. They looked far. They looked far and wide, but could not find the horse. सब जगह उन्होंने ढूंढा, but could not find the horse. लेकिन उसको ढूंढ नहीं सके. Finally, they came across a wise man. In the way, they saw a wise man. Finally, they came across a wise man. Kapila Muni, deep in meditation, meditation, attention, ध्यान लगाना, meditation means ध्यान मुद्रा में, deep in meditation जो कि ध्यान मुद्रा के अंदर ध्यान लगाकर बैठे हुए थे. The horse stood near him when finally all sons came across a wise man, Kapila Muni, who was sitting in a deep meditation, and the horse was standing near him. 60,000 sons did not know that Kapila Muni was a sage, साधु, संत या हर्मिट हम जिसे कह सकते हैं, सेंट या सेक, यहाँ पर हर्मिट के लिए आया, साधु, सन्यासी. Sons did not know that Kapila Muni was a sage, and they thought they found the thief, or all the sons thought that he is the person who had stolen our horse. They thought that he is real, he is a real thief. They thought, उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा. The sons ran shouting towards the sage. All sons ran, भागे, shouting, चिल्लाते हुए, towards the sage, साधु की तरफ, सन्यासी की तरफ. He was suddenly disturbed from his prayer. The sage was in deep meditation. He heard a loud sound, so he was suddenly disturbed from his prayers. Kapila Muni opened his eyes and glared at them. Kapila Muni opened his eyes, जैसे ही उन्होंने अपनी आंखें खोली, and glared, घूर के देखना, glared at them, उनकी तरफ घूर के देखा. All the 60,000 sons, जो सारे के सारे sons थे राजा के, सगारा के, turned into ashes, सब के सब राख में बदल गए. कपिला मुनि की उस एंगर से, गुस्से से, क्रोध से, all sons turned into ashes, सब के सब राख में ढेर हो गए. Continued the grandmother, दादी माँ ने अपनी बात, इस बात को कंटिन्यू, आगे जारी रखते हुए कहा. Ishan exclaimed. Ishan was very surprised by hearing this. Oh, exclaimed with surprise. Oh, and there is exclamation symbol. What happened them? Ishan asked, what happened them? ऐसा क्या हो गया उनको? But what has that to do with the river Ganga? अब जो कुछ भी हुआ, but what has that to do with the river Ganga? किंतु वो सब जो हुआ, लेकिन उसके साथ गंगा रिवर का क्या लेना देना है? What has that to do with the river Ganga? Well, अच्छी बात है. Well, when King Sagara did not hear from his many sons, he was worried. जब राजा को उसके बारे में, सब बच्चों के बारे में पता चला, did not hear from his many sons, he was worried. He became anxious. चिंता में पड़ गया वो. He sent his grandson Anshuman. He sent his grandson Anshuman to find out, पता करने के लिए क्या हुआ, क्यों इतने दिन हो गए, अपने पुत्र की कोई खबर, अपने सारे पुत्रों की कोई न्यूज़ नहीं मिली, कोई खबर नहीं मिली. He sent his grandson Anshuman to find out. Anshuman, being brave, finally found the horse. Anshuman was a good man and brave, and finally he found the horse. But he was puzzled by the 60,000 heaps of ashes. By seeing, when Anshuman reached there, he saw that horses is also standing there, and there was a huge 60,000 heaps of ashes. So he was puzzled. Anshuman got puzzled. What is this? What happened to them? What happened this? Then the king of birds, Garuda, means Garud. Then the king of birds, Garud, told Anshuman to take away the horse to finish the यज्ञ. तब बर्ड्स के जो किंग ऑफ द बर्ड्स, जिसे हम गरुड़ पक्षी कहते हैं, टोल्ड अंशुमान टू टेक अवे द हॉर्स, घोड़े को ले जाओ, टू फिनिश द यज्ञ, उस यज्ञ को पूर्ण करना है तो उस घोड़े को वापस लेके जाओ. He also told Anshuman about what happened to his uncles, because all were uncles to Anshuman. He वर्ड यहाँ पर गरुड़ पक्षी के लिए आ रहा है. He also told Anshuman about what happened, क्या हुआ था, to his uncles. Upset Anshuman asked Garuda what he could do about it. Then upset means वो भी उदास हो गया. Anshuman asked Garud what he could do about it. अब इसके लिए वो क्या कर सकता है? He asked again to Garuda. And what will happen, what he can do, we will read in our next video. And the work is given to you, you will do yourself, and answers first try to yourself to find out the answers, and what will happen we will read in our next video.